So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix a Frigidaire ice maker arms not going down, moving, alignment and switch test. So fix 1 is clear the ice jam. Turn off power by unplugging the Frigidaire or switching off its circuit breaker. Remove the ice basket to access the entire mechanism. Melt the ice using a hairdryer on low heat for 3 minutes. Target the pivot by directing heat at the hinges of the arm. Dry all moisture with a towel to prevent freezing. Second step is reset the mechanism. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet to turn power on. Locate the power switch on the ice maker unit. Then power cycle by turning the switch off. Wait for 10 seconds and turn turning it on. Manually cycle the arm by gently pushing it up and down 3 times. Press and hold the small reset button under the tray for 5 seconds. Third fix is fix the environment. Set freezer temperature between minus 18 degrees Celsius and minus 15 degrees Celsius. Then ensure the water fill tube above the tray is not frozen. Replace the water filter if it is over 6 months old. Thanks for watching.